Yeah, hero. Fisher Mara. Hi guys, a short video I want to make for steering damper installation on this sexy Kawasaki Ninja 300. This is going to happen at Breakout Moto Worli.
A few moments later.
So guys, this is done. Tank is getting refitted. So that hardware has gone inside. The item that we sell both the things. This one steering damper and the hardware along with all the bolts. So this is fitted. This is the adjuster. Depending, it's a manual steering damper. So the way you want to make it hard, soft, whatever, you can do it. Now the next is seat cowl installation. It's very easy. Even a rookie can do it. So just turn the bike so it's not touching anywhere. Still we have some millimeter of gap over here. And here I can feel the dampening on the bike. Many people install on their 150cc bikes also, just if they love the bike so much. So guys, if you need this item, contact us. We can also help you for the installation at Breakout Moto. Items are available at Open Throttle Racers. You can visit our website otrstore.in. This is Breakout Motor at Worli, behind Palladium Mall, Outgate. Okay, and he's the owner, Mr. Narayan Khatwa. Has said little bit stressed today.
1 hour later.
So this bike has been loaded today with the steering damper, the hardware, winglets, yes, seat cowl, the beauty, and side stand cover, side stand cap, or we call it side stand chappal also. Earlier the levers were installed a few months back, and the customer installed the silent, the what you call lever protector, Iridium Windshield. Here it has a better look, and yes, silencer guard. It's too big, it will protect silencer to a great extent. Well, that's all. Just remember this thing, so things will be better. Thank you. He's the bike owner. He must be happy. Okay, let's have a better look. Okay guys, thank you. See ya. Contact Breakout Moto for any repairs of superbike.